I just want to let you guys know this is my first time doing this, and I'm very, very nervous. So I hope everybody's gonna understand what I'm saying. So
Yes.
why must I succeed in Atomy? I must succeed in Atomy because I would like to change my life scenario that I have right now. Depending on the Lord, of course, and now that I've been praying to Him so I can change my family's life, my jobs, and also my people's life. So I know He always answered me. So when I got to introduce to Atomy and I look into the compensation plan, my mind couldn't believe it because I was, oh my gosh, is this for real? That, it was like really clear to me that if I start doing Atomy, my dreams become true. Like one of my reasons was to be able to be living debt free, and could be possible, that this reality would could be whole picture. I convince myself that God answered my prayers. So every time I think in Atomy, I thank God for putting me in the company at the right moment and in my life when I needed the most. This made me very, very happy because I can do all the things that I always wanted to do it with my family, my husband, and my kids. Atomy, when Atomy was introduced to me, I was doing in another, how can I say, not path, but I was studying to be a naturopath, not, I don't know how to pronounce that.
Yes,
Naturopath.
Yep, yep.
So when I got to introduce to Atomy, I was like in shock because when I got to get the products, to know the products, I was like, oh my God, this can help me on the business that I wanted to do. But also when I find out that it could get me on the position that I want, I was in shock. Um, so what else I can say? I couldn't be happier because now I can recommend the products that I know. They're so good and the people can get better taking it and start, instead that they do, a standard medicine. So long story short, I am in love with the company. So I will wanted to see my dreams come true.